2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-theft security system, cruise control, floor mats, front wheel drive, fog lamps, daytime running lamps, rear view camera, power outlet, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.